Smart TV nowadays can connect to multiple input devices simultaneously, but actually, I'm going to use just one of them as a default input. Today, I'll show you how to set TV default input for these three TV brands. And stick around, I'm about to make this guy very easy for you. Before getting started, make sure you have given it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. First, we will come to the most common case, LG TV. I've already set an Apple TV to the HDMI 1 input, and we're going to set it as a default input for this LG TV. First thing first, all we're going to do is open the LG Hotel mode. On your LG TV remote, long press the setting button until the banner pops up. At first, your TV might display the old setting menu in the left corner. Just ignore it and keep pressing the settings button. Then the input banner shows up over there. Immediately insert the passcode 1105 and press OK button. Once the process is done successfully, we will get to the menu interface like this. But if it isn't your case, you can try these codes that I'm showing on the screen. But if you're not, even after trying all the codes or just simply cannot see the input banner, my recommendation is you might want to factory reset your TV. I also got into that situation and I assume that it might be due to some issue came from the OS version. Back to our tutorial, when the hotel mode setup appears, we will toggle it on. Then find the power on default, switch it on, then go to input. Here is the place where you can set the default input whenever your TV turns on. Open the option, then set it to the HDMI 1 for my Apple TV. Alright, we're gonna see how this thing works. I will turn my LG TV off. Because my Apple TV is already plugged into this TV. So when the TV turns off, so does this one. All we gotta do is turn this Apple TV on. And this LG TV is also powered on. And as you can see, the first thing shows up in the Apple TV home screen. Our guy works. Next, we're going to go through smart TVs running the Google OS like this Bravia Sony TV. Again, let's take the Apple TV as our default input for example. First, we will head to the settings at the right end. Hit the gear icon. Then find System, Power and Energy. Power on behavior. In this settings, basically it will let you choose the home screen menu whenever your TV is turned on, like a default input. All we gotta do is to choose Let's Use Input. Then, let's switch the input source to Apple TV in the HDMI 1. Now, we will turn the TV off, and then turn it back on. Yup, and we are set. The last case for today is the Roku TV. All we gotta do is head to Settings, System and Power. The section we'll need to change is this Power On option. Let's get into it and change into our Apple TV. I have named it as Living Room. Now, let's get to the home screen and test whether it works. Alright. Seems like the Roku TV already got into the right input, but our Apple TV is not powered on right now. Then, just wake it up. And it works. Here's a bonus. You can customize the input name and the icon on this Roku. Here's how. Again, I'm gonna go to Settings, and TV Input. At this place, head to the one you want to change, and hit Rename it. As we can see, besides editing by our own, there's a huge deal of suggestions below, so pick the one that you wanted. Alright, that's our guide. Besides, if you have trouble getting back to regular TV channels, here's the one for you. Again, thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next video.